So Claude basically dropped live artifacts. It's a part of Claude Cowork. You can access it through Claude Cowork. It's a paid feature, but now what you can do, you can basically connect multiple different softwares and create usable live project dashboards for your construction projects, where you can pull basically project data in real time. So here in this video I'm going to show you a very simple construction the project dashboard that updates itself and refreshes in real time as my data changes. So basically here's the example of a project dashboard. You can see diary, status breakdown. You can see all the different, so the overview, all the different tabs: overview, cost, code, site diaries, labor, and other metrics. So basically, my data for this lives in a database. You can have your database in a bunch of different softwares. So Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion. You can choose whatever you want. So basically, here's the example of one database which I have prepared in Notion. So these are some schedule activities. And for this example that I showed you just previously, it's site diary. So basically, I can have an entire database table from entry ID to project name to all kinds of labels, workday status, which employees on which activity, trade, hours logged, basically everything. And I can connect this table via live artifacts, and basically I can just regenerate or generate project dashboards that I can monitor my project's performance. But beforehand, you also need to connect the database. So you need to connect your Airtable, Notion, or Google Sheets, Microsoft SharePoint, whatever, to Claude. So basically you go to connect your apps. So customize Claude, connect your apps, and then when you're there, you search for connectors. Basically everything as I mentioned to you previously. So Microsoft SharePoint, Google Drive, or Google Sheets, or whatever. And then when that is done, you basically just input the prompt. As I told you, it's pretty simple. So here's the example if you want to try it out. And it basically creates a dashboard that you can use. So on the right, you see the progress that Claude did. You see the projects, so the cowork project, and you see the context or connectors. So in this example, I connected my Airtable. You can do it in a format of whichever you want. I showed you my Notion table, so it's all custom made for you. Also, you can refresh it. So basically, this method pulls the data from your live database that lives in the cloud. When you edit something in your table, it automatically reflects to the dashboard. So as you can see, when I click here on refresh, it automatically refreshes for me. And this dashboard has 4 different tabs, as I showed you previously. So an overview, cost, codes, site diaries, and labor. But this is custom, and you can do whatever you want. Basically, you can modify the dashboard using the different prompts. It's basically just iterative process where you refine it and tune it to your needs. And also then, as you can remember, that I showed you another table. So schedule activities, you can also create a Gantt chart or integrate a Gantt chart for into project dashboard, so you can real-time monitor the situation. So basically, I also want to input these scheduled activities into a project dashboard. And here on a different example, I'm also going to show you. So here is the also the overview of activities. Very similar process. I also need to connect table via connectors or Airtable connector or Notion connector. I just basically input a simple prompt. So here's the prompt that I will input. I have a project status information saved here in Airtable. I just paste the link. Can you please use this to create a Gantt chart? So basically also similar thing. One prompt inputted, and basically here he's going to transform the database information into the Gantt chart. As you can see, here's the construction schedule. Yes, a small revision. I just noticed that you can do this without using online databases or online tables. You can work with your own system folders. So basically, here, as you can see, there's an option to work in on a project. This is also a part of Claude Cowork, a paid feature. If I click here on this work in a project, I can basically browse my system folders, and here, for example, I have a few Excel tables, a cost report, a program, RFI register, safety incidents, and variation register. And I can transform these Excel tables or files into the project dashboard, and I can also edit these files or update them, and that it will reflect on my live dashboard. So basically, I need to select this folder and give it a simple prompt. This is a folder with construction project data. Your task is to turn this into a summary project dashboard as a live artifact, and it will do a pretty similar thing that we did before. So as you can see, it's running. It's loading tools, running commands, and so on. It will take a bit of time, but as you can see, when it's finished, it produces a pretty similar result. So project dashboard with all the different tabs that we selected. So program, RFIs, safety. As you can see, here's the breakdown of cost in a form of budget versus forecast by trade, and yeah, pretty similar thing. So you can do it in this way if you want, and it's a pretty simple thing, a pretty simple connection that you can use to automate your reports or your dashboards. And I will highly suggest that you start implementing these kinds of automations in your construction projects.